Question is there a rubber ring or gasket around the needle? And yes, there is. So didn't really pay much attention to that or really notice it before you asked this question, but yeah, there it is. I imagine that's pretty important. Looks like it creates the seal around here if you're using your basket to make coffee with your grounds, or if you're using a K-cup, that could probably come in very handy. What's going on? Are you having an issue with yours? Is that missing, and is it causing your machine to do something funky? Hit me up in the comments and let me know, but hopefully that was helpful.